How to create a collaborative thread. So in order to create a collaborative thread, what you can do is you can click on this plus icon and then let's head over and then just type in here something. So let's, for example, let's type in here collab with a person, for example. What you can do is you can just mention them and then you can just type their name right here in order to mention them onto your post. Now, once you have typed their name, you can head over and then just tag them. Now, from in there, you can click on post. Once it's been posted, you can head over and click on that particular post you have made and click on the three dots. Then from in there, click on this who can reply and quote. Click on this mentioned only. In that way, only you two can collaborate with this post. So that's how you create a collaborative thread. Hope you helped.